What fucking set of dump coils am I putting in here? The ones that are guaranteed to be all broken, cracked, is what I'm fucking talking about right here. Or the ones that you know worked at one point, but you don't fucking know anymore. It's missing one, and only most of them are cracked and busted. Don't you know? Here. So, you know, 2 out of 7, which you should have 8, ain't bad, right? Yep. Going with the never been tested, probably sat outside because the idiot who stored the engine fucking was an idiot. Sets of coils here, totally unknown. I like gambling, even though I don't gamble. I just gamble with struggles. It's almost guaranteed to fuck me. There we go, freshly rebuilt. I mean, you know, I cleaned them and painted the brackets and, you know, took the dust off and, you know, they identify as fucking freshly rebuilt now. We got this hokey ass fucking setup here to keep the AC. You can try to fucking put it in the stock location down there, but as you can see, a bunch of shit right in the fucking way, so. I actually, this bracket's off my Blazer. I tried keeping AC in that, but, you know, no fucking room. So I took this, put it on this truck. Basically, all I did was one bracket bolt. Yeah, sure, in here. Bolts to the fucking head. I made a bracket that goes from here over to the fucking head. And then I'm going to make another one that goes from the fucking tensioner to the fucking head. I mean, but as is, this fucker ain't going anywhere. Had to bend the AC lines just a little bit, but it's alright. So yeah, starting to look like a fucking truck here. I got the fucking exhaust left to do. Oh, you know what, I gotta send away. I need custom fucking heater core hoses here. Man, these are expensive. Fuck. There we go. Custom. That right there is worth fucking $100 of hose. There we go. Fucking spent like $300-400 on those hoses. I mean, it's fucking seaming ready now, bud. But yeah, so just wanted to give you fuckers a little update on the Red Rocket. As you can see, it's starting to look like a fucking truck again. I gotta get a longer belt, gotta get oil, gotta get intake gaskets. I gotta build the fucking exhaust, which ain't hard. I just bolt on these stock manifolds. They're pretty fucking close. I just gotta change the flanges on the fucking Y pipe there, but no big deal. Stock fucking power steering lines right off the fucking 2001 Chevy, bolted right in. Stock fucking truck bracket, stock truck oil pan. Yeah, just come along. Getting there. And then you know what? Next fucking step,